about.
Okay. Second part question is, do you like me?
Do I like you?
She got 12 questions too.
Like in your look?
What you mean? There's so many guys up here. Do you like me?
I haven't popped your balloon yet,
That's
so
not
I'm
the, that's,
interested in you.
that's not the question. You like me? Cause I want somebody to like me. You know what I mean? Because if there's 7,000 or 7 girls, you want somebody to have eyes for you, right?
True.
Exactly. I'm the same way.
When you say, I don't know you enough to know that if I like you, but I am attracted to you, if that's what you
Okay.
mean. Yeah, I'm attracted to you, for sure.
Okay. I'll settle with that for now.
Yeah. All right, let's head on back. So it is now time to pop a balloon. Out of the two guys,
She will pick him. She like the way how him come off domineering. She like it. Okay, she like it.
whose balloon are you gonna pop?
Can I ask one question?